Hey guys, I'm Ryan.
I'm Courtney.
And we just bought a 36-foot sailboat down in Florida. I have no idea how to sail, and our plan is to teach ourselves. Well, we bought the boat for 8,500 bucks, and let's just say that we're practically broke now. Hey guys, alright, so we are starting to make the boring passage through the flat plains here. We're in Idaho right now, and we're gonna go over Idaho, or down through Idaho to Utah, and then from Utah over to Wyoming, and we're gonna cross the whole state of Wyoming. So it's gonna be a pretty boring next 24 hours, but keep you guys updated with that. It's going good. Right now I have Courtney driving, so there she is right there. And can't wait to see you guys in Fort Myers, Florida.
All right, hey guys, I think we are in Wyoming. It is like 2 a.m. right now. We're just getting some gas. It's been a long night. Here's the van. Here's the gas station we're at. Gas is only like $1.99 here though. Super cheap. Okay, see you guys later. All right guys, welcome to Missouri. We're at rest stop. I don't even know what number this is. Jaeger and I are walking around. Ryan's in the bathroom. He told me he found this really cool thing in the car, so we're gonna go see what, or he found a cool thing and he put it in the car. We're gonna go see what it was. You know, for a place that sounds a lot like Misery though, it doesn't seem like it's that bad. They actually had like a really nice rest stop, and it was really nice and kept up. You ready to go back in the car, Jaeger? He says no way. He hates the car. All right, let's see what Ryan found. Oh, we found this cool rock. Let's see. Please post on Facebook at North Plata rocks when found, or keep, you choose.
We're definitely gonna rehide it.
Yeah, we'll rehide it. That's pretty cool.
Adventure going.
Good
Here.
find. All right, I don't even know what rest stop this is, you guys, but somewhere in Missouri they've got this cool little rock. Oh, that's not good enough.
Look, do you want to really hide it? We can hide it over there.
No, you choose where to hide it. Come on, Jaeger.
I'll just hide it right there.
That's not very hidden, but okay. All right, so Ryan just had a little impromptu restroom stop. We are still in Kansas City?
Yeah, probably exiting Kansas City.
We're making progress. We'll get there when we get there.
Take the I-70 East, US
Yeah,
40
that's
East
the
Road.
update. Hey guys, how's it going? We're in Tennessee right now, I think. Ryan's getting some of the bugs. I don't know if you can see how bad this is.
It's only 2,000 miles worth of bugs.
We have a Texas plate. It's a rental van.
We're not Texan.
Yeah. We're from Oregon. But you can see Jaeger in there. I don't know how well you can see him. Right in Ryan's way now.
Oopsies.
Whoop, that's okay. No one has to know. But yeah, we've got, I think, what is it, 16 hours, 14 hours?
Yeah, about 14 hours left.
Hey guys, we are in Georgia. It is about 9:30 in the morning. We have, what, 200 miles?
Yeah, about 200, maybe 250 miles until Florida.
250 miles till we get to Florida, and then we just have to go all the way to the southern tip. So we're getting there. I know everything kind of looks the same. At least it's green here. It's kind of nice. Ryan's back to driving.
Yeah, we took a long nap at that rest stop. I said, screw it.
Yeah, we needed to take a break.
I had driven, what, 2 days straight?
Yeah, you'd driven
36
for
hours, something like that.
for a long time.
Yeah.
And we went through Atlanta in the middle of the night, thank God.
That was a cool city, by the way. Atlanta, Georgia.
Yeah, it was
If you
kind
guys
of...
ever have the chance to go to Atlanta, Georgia, some of the best architecture I'd ever seen.
I'm glad we went through in the middle of the night, and I would have filmed it for you guys, but we also went through in the middle of the night, so... But that's the update.